Main news for January 10th, 2022. Let's take a look at it. Kazakhstan's president has fired top security officials after the country broke out in protests after a rise in the price of oil was announced last week. This protest, which was centered mainly in the oil rich city of Almaty, has killed approximately 180 people all over in Kazakhstan. The Kazakh government has detained around 8,000 people in connection with the unrest. Sri Lanka's President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has asked China to help restructure debt repayments as the country is facing a financial crisis, mostly due to the pandemic. China's Evergrande Group, the defaulting developer, has relocated its head office from the city of Shenzhen to a nearby town of Guangzhou. Internationally acclaimed Chinese film director Zhang Yimou will oversee the opening and closing ceremonies of the 2022 Winter Olympic Games. Eastern USA is witnessing winter storms with heavy snowfall, whereas in some parts of northwest USA, heavy floods are ravaging the cities. USA and Russia have begun talks on the Ukraine crisis. However, USA officials believe that it is highly unlikely that both the countries will settle down on an agreement, as Russia is hell-bent on doing its own way. Wall Street Journal has reported that Iran is exporting arms to Yemen and many other countries in Middle East and West Asia secretly. Thailand's ousted leader Aung San Suu Kyi has been sentenced to more than 4 years in prison. Netherlands has a new Prime Minister. Mark Rutte has been elected as the new Prime Minister for a fourth successive time. He has two challenging jobs that he will be doing and has promised that he will definitely work towards bringing down the coronavirus situation and also go ahead and take drastic measures to bring down the greenhouse emission in Netherlands. Stay updated with me on my channel and do not forget to press the subscribe button. Bye for now.